Yeah, good day everyone. I go by the name Skyward. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Yeah, presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyward.gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you. Yeah, I want to say happy new year to my students and to my viewers on this channel. Yes, and this year we are still continuing with affiliate marketing, and we are going to make big money online this year. So I'm still going to talk about making money online on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, the last year, my students and many of my students around the world, we make thousands of dollars online, and this year we are going to make even more than that. So remember, if you've been following my videos on my channel, you will know I am an affiliate marketing coach. I train people on how to make money online on ClickBank affiliate marketing, and I'm still training people on how to make money online on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, let me come again by explaining what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is just marketing or selling a particular product for a company and getting a commission for each product to sell. For instance, if a company has a shoe for sale for $100 and you market the shoe for the company and you sell the shoe for $100, the company can decide to give you $20 out of the $100. So that is affiliate marketing. You are not the owner of the product, but you are selling the product for the particular country, the company. And there are different platforms and online digital platform where you can sign up for affiliate marketing and start selling products for people. And as you can know that the more products you sell, the more commission you are going to get. Yes, commission is the money you are paid for every product to sell. So for you to get high commission, which means you have to make high sale and many sales, but what you need to do is to get people to buy your product. And there are two ways by which you can get people to buy your products online from affiliate marketing stores. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, let's start for the paid traffic system. This is a way by which you pay digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to create adverts for your products and to send it to targeted traffic. Yes, you can also pay freelancers or freelancing page like Upwork or Fiverr to sell a product for you. Yes, there are different ways by which you can sell on paid traffic system. So that is that about paid traffic system. So I'm going to be teaching you how I'm making sales, big sales like the one you can see on the screen, through my free traffic system. The free traffic system, you don't need to pay for to get traffic to your platforms. So what I've been using to get sales that you are seeing on the screen is my software. Yes, as an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and I've developed this software that I've been using over the years now, and has been earning me big money. And my students also that have gotten the software. So this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing great well, as you can see on the screen. He got it on 30th, he started on 31st. So the software is up for sale now. Yes, my software works by gathering organic leads from digital platforms and promoting your affiliate page or link to this organic traffic for you to get commission. And with my software, you are going to get daily commission because it generates more than 2,000 organic traffic online and promotes your affiliate link or platform to this traffic. So to get my software and video course today and start earning big like the one you can see on the screen, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making big money on affiliate marketing. Once again, I go by the name Skyward and I train people on how to make money online. Contact me today on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen now to get my software and video course and start earning big on any of your affiliate marketing platform. And when you get my software and video course, I'm going to create a ClickBank account for you, and my software and my video course is self-explanatory. It will take you step by step on how to make money through the software. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyward.71@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course now. Thank you.